Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to install Visual Studio Code in Windows. Here, once you go to Google and type Visual Studio download and open this respective link, okay, and once you open this page, you will redirect it to this page. And right now I'm using for Windows, so select here. And mostly nowadays we are all using 64-bit. Okay, so identify your the version of system that you are using. So I'm using 64-bit, and so if you select on this, it will get downloaded. Okay, so I already downloaded the setup file. The setup file is having uh, 94 MB, 94.3 MB. So right click on that, select run as administrator. Here you need to select yes, click yes. Here you need to accept, next, next, next. Select that create desktop icon, next. Now it is extracting the files from to this location. Yeah, we have successfully installed the Visual Studio Code and Windows. Now if you click open, so now you can connect, you can connect to Terraform and whatever that you are having to develop, you can connect to the respective applications. I hope you may like this video. Thank you.